Hello everyone, it's your girl Benny of Free Benny's Kitchen. How are you all doing? Because I'm doing so great here. So today in the kitchen we are preparing this concoction rice. Yes, you heard me well, concoction rice. On the table I have what it takes to prepare this rice. I have my bouillon cube, onions, crayfish, iru, salt, oil, our parboiled rice. Then I have some chopped shaki and some chopped kanda here. Then I have my tomatoes. Then we have our nchonwu, which is called scent leaf. Then I have our mackerel fish here. The mackerel fish is already seasoned. I seasoned with chicken fish seasoning, curry, thyme and ginger. After the seasoning, I now fried it. That is what we are going to use. So let's do this together. So guys, the heat is on now. So I'll pour in some palm oil, red palm oil in the pot. You don't have to bleach it, just allow it to get hot a bit. So it's hot now, I'll add in the onions. Allow it to fry very well. Then I'll add the iru for both of them to fry together. This is our local spice. In this rice, you don't need ginger, garlic, and all those oyibo something. You just need local things to cook this concoction rice. Allow to fry very well. Then I'll add in the tomatoes, onions, pepper. They are in here. And for you to have a good taste of this concoction rice, you need to make this to be a bit hot. So I'll allow this to fry very well, so you don't have that slappy taste. So I like to fry for like 10 minutes. So guys, this is after 10 minutes. You can see how the bubbles are on the oil. So you know it's okay. So I'll add my chopped in cow skin and the shaki to boil a bit and to have some taste. Then I'll add in the crayfish, the bouillon cube. I'm adding 2. Allow to cook a bit. I'll add some salt. Then I'll add water. Let me test for the salt to know if I'll add more. Okay, it's okay. Boy, this is so hot. The pepper in here. So now I'll add in the rice. I'll combine everything very well. I'll still add some water. I just have to add little water that will enable the rice to cook. So I'll just cover the pot now and allow it to start cooking. So guys, after 15 minutes, I'm back to check the rice. You know, I already parboiled the rice before, so it didn't take time for it to cook, and it was on low heat. So now let me see what we have here. Okay, this is what we have here now. Okay, it's not fully dried, but I just turn everything together. But I first of all add in the scent leaf. I washed and I sliced. This is the scent leaf. So I'll stir everything together to marry very, very well. Oh, the aroma here is something else. So I just combine very well. You can see the color of the rice. I still have some water in there, but not much, but it'll be okay to finish the cooking. As I was cooking my food, I saw a finger of plantain, so I fried it and I'm going to add it in here. Stir everything together. This is our concoction rice loaded. So I'll add in our fried fish, cover the pot, allow it to cook for like 2 minutes, then I'll turn off the heat. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do that. If you have not liked, like, and keep sharing, keep watching, please. So I'll cover the pot for like 2 minutes, then we are good to go. After 2 minutes, we are ready. Food is ready. Oh, the aroma here is something else. Oh, our concoction rice loaded. So this is what we have here, guys. We are okay. I'll turn off the heat and we are good to go. So guys, this is our loaded concoction rice. Man, this is tasting so yummy. So yummy and hot, the way I like it. Please keep watching, keep liking, subscribe if you are just passing by for the first time. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.